I'm going to show you how to play a short progression starting on with B minor. So the first chord, B minor, is B, D, F sharp on our right hand with a single B on our left hand. That's the root note of B minor chord. And then I'm going to play an A major chord on our right hand, A, C sharp, E, with a C sharp on bass. So rather than playing the root this time, I'm going to play the third degree of the A major chord. So that's A, C sharp, E with a C sharp on the left hand. Then I'm going to play a second inversion D major chord. And what that means is I'm going to start on the last note of the D major chord rather than the first. So it would usually be D, F sharp, A. And then the first inversion would be F sharp, A, D. And the second inversion would be A, D, F sharp. I'm going to play A, D, F sharp. And then my next chord is a second inversion E major chord. So that'll be B, E, G sharp with an E on bass. And then I'm going to resolve back to A major first inversion, which would be C sharp, E, A. Okay, so it's a nice little progression. Okay, and one last time.